Hi everybody, hello, bonjour. If you want to make a key role in this wonderful adventure to purchase two keyboards for Maestro Karim Medjeber, please help us. Because for now, we have some keys purchased till this area. Do you want to show what we have? Yeah, okay. So it's not a lot. So we are waiting to increase our gamme and to go more and more and higher in order that we can play, for example, Sous le ciel de Paris. Hein? Voilà, this is another thing. So thank you so much for your support and your help, and we hope to see you very soon to enjoy Sounds of My Life in live somewhere in your town. À bientôt. Bye bye.